Hello everyone, welcome to MYP Biology with me. Today our topic is going to be, do plants move? So maybe you have thought about this one, whether plants move or not, but I'm sure that majority of you already know that plants have let's say inclination to turn and bend to the sun. So today we're going to learn the plant structure and their inclination. So here we have the geotropism, the growth of the parts of plant with respect to the force of gravity. You might think that we have the gravity force, but the plants are actually going against the gravity, and they have just a long grained shoot away from the soil. This we call the geotropism. So the upward growth of plant shoot is an instance of negative geotropism. The downward growth of the root is a positive geotropism. So as you know, in positive geotropism, the plant grows downwards, such as the roots, but while negative geotropism, it means the plant grows upwards. As you here see, like the negatively geotropic, this is the plant shoot, and the root is actually going to be positively geotropic. Thigmotropism, the turning or bending of a plant or other organism in response to a touch to stimulus. If you touch certain plants, this changes the plant's behavior, such as a Mimosa pudica or in a pea plant or other plants. As you see, when we touch them, they change their behavior. We call it thigmotropism. So here, phototropism, the growth or movement of a fixed organism toward or away from the light. In plants, phototropism is a response to blue wavelengths of light and is caused bending of the shoot toward the source of light. So bending towards light is positive phototropism, while the opposite is negative phototropism. Alright, so as you see in the picture here, that when the plants actually sense the light, they turn and bend towards the light. That is positive phototropism. So database question, that's going to be your assignment, guys. We have the Darwin's phototropism experiment. You know, the scientists call a plant's ability to bend toward light phototropism. Even as far back as ancient Greece, it's been a big puzzle about how plants are able to do it. So Charles Darwin started and he made an experiment related to phototropism, and he took 3 seedlings and he measured them after 8 hours. So we have the graph here, so the line graph that you're going to look into and investigate. Then we have the questions that you're going to do and answer all of them. So how organisms are adapted to air and water movement. You know, different animals over the world obtain certain characteristics to adapt a place where they live. As you know, not all animals live in rainforests. Some of them have to survive in most arid and coldest places, such as like the towering duck. You know that the towering duck, they are native to Andes Mountain, and they're adapted to swim in fast flowing rivers. And what about when it comes to the coconut? And coconuts are adapted to disperse their seeds by water. These seeds can travel even 1,000 kilometers across the ocean. What about the wandering albatross? They're adapted to soar dynamically using energy from winds and waves. They can travel nearly 1,000 kilometers without even flapping their wings. The last one is about the hazelnut. This is actually the male flowers that what we see. These are their pollen grains, and they can spread this pollen grains, thousands of pollen grains around by wind. This is their adaptation to their surrounding. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.